The question is can you use your DJI Mini 4 Pro batteries in your DJI Mini 5 Pro? Hi, I'm Bill and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to share with you some information that I've recently uncovered regarding the compatibility of the DJI Mini 4 Pro batteries being used in the DJI Mini 5 Pro. I obviously own both of the drones here and was hoping to save some money by not having to purchase the Plus batteries for my Mini 5 Pro, by using the ones that I currently already own for my Mini 4 Pro. This idea, however, did hit a snag when I started looking into the compatibility of the batteries. I found several things that were different about the batteries that raised some concerns in my mind. I'll go over the technical details shortly, but the bottom line is, from DJI, as of December 2025, their official stance on this is that the batteries are not compatible, even though they will function in the Mini 5 Pro. I've done some research and would like to share with you what I've found. First off, they use different battery types. That the Mini 4 Pro here uses a LiPo battery, while the Mini 5 Pro uses a lithium-ion battery, so the chemistry is different right from the start. This is not a big deal in my opinion, but they are actually different. The LiPo battery that's used in the Mini 4 Pro are known for their high discharge rate, which is perfect for a quick burst of power, like in an FPV drone that we're used to using, but not really needed for a camera drone. So maybe this is why they changed. I'm not really sure. If you know, drop me a comment below. The lithium ion in the Mini 5 Pro is a newer generation, which is great, which offers higher energy discharge, which typically means longer flight times for the same weight and potentially better longevity, meaning you can actually charge this thing more times than the LiPo battery. From my experience and research, you can normally charge a lithium ion battery, the DJI Mini 5 battery, in a LiPo charger without any problem. But DJI is stating that this is not the case with their batteries and charging hubs. That if you look on the back of the Mini 4 Pro charging hub here, and we'll go ahead and we'll do a close-up of this here, it specifically says that it's compatible with the Mini 3, Mini 3 Pro, and Mini 4 Pro. Whereas if we look at the Mini 5 Pro charging hub here, it says Mini 5 Pro, and there's no other compatibility listed here whatsoever on the charger. And I assume that if DJI thought that this could be used with the Mini 4, they would have certainly put that on there, because the batteries are pretty much a plug and play, but they really aren't, apparently, from what they're saying. I have tried the Mini 5 Pro battery here in the Mini 4 Pro, and it does boot up and it turns on, but in the app, it'll give you a message saying the battery is not a DJI battery, which we know it is, but it says that it's not. And even though it'll power up, the drone will not take off. The first thing I did is I'm like, well, maybe there's a firmware update. If you check for firmware updates, it does say there's an update available, and that actually got my hopes up, but the update failed multiple times. And I did try it on several different batteries, different times, and made sure I had internet connection and all that. In my chat with DJI, they did tell me that they're looking at the compatibility and it might change in the future, but at this time, their official state is do not use the Mini 4 Pro batteries and the DJI Mini 5 Pro to keep your warranty and flyaway protection valid. And that's an important thing, especially with a brand new drone. You don't want to have an issue with warranty if something happens. I ended up purchasing the extended battery for my Mini 5 Pro, and we'll keep the Mini 4 Pro batteries here separate, away from the Mini 5 Pro, so I don't actually change it. It's nice that they do have different colors on them, so that does make it nice. I do like the fact that with the Mini 5 Pro battery charging hub here, if you connect it to a 65 watt or greater power source, it will charge two batteries at the same time, and it still does have the same functionality in both controllers where you can actually charge one battery up from the other two batteries, or even one battery that's a lower voltage, so you can get more flight time while you're out flying and doing your photography or whatever you're doing. Drop a comment below and let the other viewers and myself know if you have any other information on the compatibility of these batteries, if you've gotten an update from DJI or something like that. If you found this content useful, I'd really appreciate you clicking the like button and consider subscribing for more content like this. And we'll definitely catch you on the next one.